deliciously mouth-watering hot dogs, traditionally grilled or served on a sliced bun as a sandwich, which will enchant your taste buds and leave you craving more. In most of the world, hot dog is recognized as a sausage in a bun, but the type varies considerably. Common condiments include mustard, ketchup, relish, onions and tomato sauce and cheese sauce. This easy recipe is an all-time favorite for both adults and kids. You can experiment and use whatever combo of ingredients you wish. I would love to know how it turned out. Please let me know by leaving a comment below.